Hello guys, today I have brought a sheet which will help if you are running a small team and you don't want to have a very like a costly softwares, or you want to streamline your activities. So I have brought a task sheet. Uh, what this can do, this will help you to record all your tasks, and whenever someone asks about your team or about yourself, you can easily submit your report, and this will help you to avoid the nasty situations where the managers or the management will push to and question your man hours. So this can be used in any sort of an industry where people are doing the work and they are dependent on the man hours. So here is the sheet. The sheet consists of different sections. First section is the project list. So first we have to add the projects. Right now I have added two projects. One is a general, other is a sample project. Always give the project number starting with the PRJ underscore sufficient prefix so that this will help us later on when we try to name the ranges with the project number. So add your project, keep on adding. Then we have the resource table. So this is a resource table. I have added some dummy resources. You can add as many as you want. Their department name, cost. If you want to later calculate the cost based on the man hours, you can put here, and then later on you can use. Uh, then the most important thing is the cost centers. Here we need to be very careful. These cost centers should be basically assigned by the someone who is authorized. So what you need to do is, what is the cost center? Basically, the cost centers are the high level breakdown of the project where you want to group the man hours. For example, this is a sample project. And for example, we are working in a design industry where we have, this project is consist of multiple skits. And the first skit we are saying it will have vessels, piping, and structure. So I have created three cost centers, and they all have the unique cost center code, starting with the project number, then the unit type, the type of the work, and then the sequence number. So you can define your own cost center numbers. Is it up to you how you want to define? Then here you need to just use the same project number which you have defined over there. So there is a drop list. You can easily pick it. This formula will pick the name of the project, and here you need to write a detail of this task center. Sorry, this cost center. So you have to write detail so that later on, this becomes a meaningful report. Once you have done this, you have to go to the cost task sheet. This is our main sheet, which we will be filling. So, for example, here now this is the first thing. If we go, okay, this is the task ID. So, though this is a random number, a unique number, but what I will do, like I'll just put the month first, and then year, and then sequence number. Okay, and I can drag down here. I need to write what I am doing. For example, recording a video or anything which I am doing, and here is the project number. So these are the two project number which we have listed. So suppose I'm just selecting this project number. I will select this. Then I have to select the resource ID. So I will select the same resource ID. Here the name will appear automatically. Okay. So now when you select the project number, it will automatically give you the available cost centers. This is one of the thing which we have added in this sheet. If you want to learn how we have added, for example, I will tell you. If I change the project number here, it is cascading. It will change. Now, if you see the drop down list, actually is not working. I don't know why. Yeah, it's not working because due to some technical reason. Anyhow, so once we select the project number, only the task related to it will appear here. Okay, and if you change the project number, the sheet will not show you the cost center, or it will show you the cost center of the related project. So in this way, the user cannot enter the cost center of one project and select another project. So this will help us to later on while we are developing the reports. Okay. So as soon as we select the cost center, okay, we our cost center is reflected here. In the green boxes, we don't need to write anything. Here we need to write the time. For example, daily, like for example, we are working on 30th November. We will write one task daily. So we'll close it today. And the next day we will add again. If we are working on the same task, we can just write the same and continue. And here we have to put the man hours and remarks if we want to add, like for example, work is in progress. Okay, that's all we have to do here. Once we are done here with this one, for example, um, I just change the date so that we can see something. Okay, okay. So later on, we want to run the timesheet. Okay, so we'll run the timesheet, and we will see the number of the hours we have booked against the project number. So same way, if you have multiple resources, you can see all timesheets in one place, and you can also add different charts and graphs for the calculated man hours for the projects. Or you want to analyze any cost center, you can analyze later on. Here, this sheet has all the user guide, how to basically fill this sheet, how to add projects, how to add the cost centers, what you will do after adding the cost centers, how you will fill this task. So everything is given here. So if you really like this video and you want to use this task sheet, just put a comment under the video with your email ID. We will send you this sheet, or you want to make yourself. You can make simply by using the detail given in this video. Thank you very much for watching the video.